the Edifier MP230. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the MP230 Bluetooth speaker by Edifier. It features a classic design. I will go over specs, features, provide audio samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, USB-C cable for charging, and an auxiliary cable. The speaker features 10 hours of listening time and uses Bluetooth 5.0, two 10-watt 48mm drivers, a 2500 mAh battery. It has an MDF wooden enclosure and piano key style buttons, Bluetooth auxiliary, micro SD, and USB-C inputs, and a classic retro design. Hey, just a short message here. Have you heard of M-Content? Well, if you haven't, it's a platform which allows you to earn crypto tokens by just watching videos. Exactly what you're doing now. So check out the app on the Google Play Store, App Store, or mcontent.net to get started. Why not earn free tokens while you watch? Use referral code BrianUnboxed when setting up the app, and subscribe to my channel and you'll see all my content there. Looking at the speaker, it is small and portable. It has a wooden enclosure all around with rubber padding on the bottom. It has a mesh speaker grill along with the branding on the front. On the bottom, you have the piano style keys with a bronze shade to it. They feature an LED, power button, Bluetooth pairing button, play pause, volume, track controls, and playback controls. And on the back you'll find the charge LED, USB-C charge port, aux port, and the micro SD slot. The speaker comes in roughly at 6¼ inches by 4 by 3.5. It weighs in at 770 grams. And now for some audio samples.
Take me back to the nights we felt alive, picking up the pieces on a summer night. I didn't know that I would feel just like my heart's on fire whenever I'm with you. Cause we go back in time to thrills I miss and all the things I wish we did. All I know is that I need.
The speaker feels solid and has a compact design. I like the classic look to it, and the controls are easy to navigate and it feels solid. Battery life is good at 10 hours and volume levels do get high. As for the sound, it has a decent amount of bass and it doesn't overwhelm, and it's tight and punchy. Mids and highs are clear and vocals and instruments do stand out with good separation. I would describe it as a balanced sound. If you want a retro design, this is something definitely to look at. So that is my review of the Edifier MP230 Bluetooth speaker. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.